Learn and fun!
Hello, kids! Welcome to another exciting and colorful adventure. In our previous Colors adventure, we explored the world of primary colors. We learned how to spot these primary colors all around us, mix them to create new shades, and sang our favorite colors rhyme together. We also had a fantastic time with a fun color quiz. Are you ready to explore more colors? Let's get started. Can you spot something that's purple? Great job! A grape is purple. Do you see anything orange? That's right. A carrot is orange. What's green on this screen? That's correct. A tree is green. Wow, you found purple, orange, and green colors. That's great. It's time to play an exciting color matching game. Are you ready? On our game board, we have colorful shapes. Your job is to match each shape with the correct color. Let's get started. Here's our first shape. It's a red square. Can you find the red color that matches it? Is it this one? No, that's not the right one. How about this one? That's correct. It's the red color. Well done. You matched the red square with the red color. Let's move on to the next shape. Now, let's look at this shape. It's a blue circle. Can you find the blue color that matches it? Fantastic job! You're a color matching pro. Can you match the color for this shape as well? It's a purple triangle. That's correct. You're learning so fast. We had so much fun playing this color matching game. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep exploring colors and playing games like this to become a color expert. You can play these games at home too.
In our clothes and in the sky, colors make the world so high. Orange sunsets and the ocean blue colors are a gift for me and you.
One of the most beautiful things in the sky is the rainbow. It has 7 colors. Can you name them all? That's right. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Come on, say with me. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Very nice. Rainbows are actually full circles. However, when we see rainbows from the ground, we typically only see a half circle or an arc. Now let's explore the color white. White is a special color because it's not really a color at all. It's the color of light when all colors are combined. White can be found all around us. Can you spot something that's white in your room right now? That's right. A piece of paper, a toy, and a fluffy cloud are all white. White is often associated with things that are clean and pure. For example, we wear white clothes when we want to look neat and tidy. Now, let's see what happens when we mix white with other colors. When we mix white with red, we get a lighter shade of red called pink. Pink is a lovely color that's often associated with flowers and princesses. And when we mix white with blue, we get light blue. Light blue is the color of a clear sky on a sunny day. So, even though white may not be a color in the traditional sense, it plays a special role in creating lighter shades of other colors. It's a color that brightens up our world. Now it's time for a quiz. What color is often used to symbolize purity and cleanliness? A. Pink. B. Green. C. White. D. Black. Nice try. The right answer is white. Thanks for joining us on this colorful adventure. Keep exploring and learning, and we'll see you next time.
Colors all around us, so bright in the daytime and through the night. Let's celebrate the rainbow, so true. Happy colors to you.
Don't forget to subscribe for more learning adventures.